512@excel Foundation. Learn personality development classes with Suresh Babu. In the previous session, we discussed about necessity to know about our mind. 4-fold functions of the mind. In this session, now we are going to discuss more about mind. Let us approach the mind. The Katha Upanishad describes personality development with the help of chariot allegory. Our I is represented by the master of the chariot. Our body is chariot, the buddhi, the charioteer. The manas is represented by the reins to which are yoked the horses by representing the sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, which are the 5 windows in a human being that give him or her the knowledge of objects in the world. The road on which chariot travels is representing by sense objects. The human being who identifies himself or herself with our body-mind system is said to be the enjoyer of objects or the fruits of actions. If the horses are not broken and if the charioteer is asleep, the chariot cannot reach its destination. It can even overturn and spell the death of the master. Similarly, if the sense organs are not disciplined and the power of discrimination lies dormant, one cannot reach the goal of human life. Let us see, on the other hand, if the horses are broken, the charioteer is wide awake, the chariot reaches its destination. Even so, the buddhi is wide awake, and if the sensory organs together with the mind is disciplined and controlled, the human being reach the goal of human life. What is the goal? We will come to it shortly. Another important activity of mind that concerns personality development is our emotions. More the emotions are controlled, healthier becomes one's personality. Emotions can be classified into 2 types. What are those? Attractions and repulsions. Love, admiration, aspiration, sympathy, joy, veneration, pride and the like indicates attraction. Hate, anger, fear, sorrow, disgust, shame, etc. These are the nature of the repulsion. As long as one is entangled with the undisciplined mind, one's personality cannot really develop. The buddhi charioteer serves as an effective instrument of self-development by controlling the emotions and raising higher self from the whole of the lower mind. This is the key mechanism of our mind. That's why everyone should know about our mind. There is a necessity to know our mind. We must know 4-fold functions of the mind. Along with those, we have to keep an eye with these things and understand better about our mind. These things are to be noticed, to understand our mind better.